flavin adenine dinucleotide or FAD. It's a derivative of riboflavin. The structure acts as a coenzyme and it has 4 units. Isoalloxexin rings and a 5-membered carbon structure together known as riboflavin. Isoalloxexin ring and ribitol together form as riboflavin or vitamin B2, which is linked to a phosphate group. So this structure is commonly known as FMN, flavin mononucleotide, but it's not a true nucleotide because the absence of nitrogen base is not a nitrogen base. So this structure, this riboflavin, is linked to a adenosine monophosphate, which is there is a nitrogen base, adenine nitrogen base as phosphate and ribose sugar. So this is actually a true nucleotide, adenosine monophosphate, but this is not a true nucleotide. But both these linked together and simply called as FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide. But remember, so this is not a true dinucleotide because there is only one nucleotide is present. That is, this structure is a true nucleotide. This is not a true nucleotide, but simply call it as a flavin adenine dinucleotide. So isoalloxexin ring is the hydrogen accepting rings. When the FAD accept the hydrogen, it becomes FADH2. So what is the role of this FAD? It plays an important role in the oxidation of carbohydrates like Krebs cycle, fatty acid oxidation. During the oxidation of this molecule, the electron transfers to oxygen, which is already seen in the last video, through special carriers like FAD and NAD. Thus, FAD is a major electron carrier and acceptor in the electron transport system. So one of the major important functions of FAD is to carrier and acceptor of hydrogen atom. So as already said, when FAD accepts the hydrogen atom, it is reduced to FADH2. It also functions as a prosthetic group. Prosthetic group means what is a non-protein part. The enzyme has two parts. One is called the protein part and the other is called a non-protein part. The non-protein part may be a prosthetic group. As in the enzyme succinic dehydrogenase, the prosthetic part is the FAD, so which helps in the conversion of succinic acid to fumaric acid. So this is a succinic acid and this is a fumaric acid. So here the hydrogen atoms, here one hydrogen atom from here, one is from here, is transferred to FAD and it becomes FADH2. So this FAD acts as a hydrogen acceptor. So this is what an FAD is all about.